Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying purpose. Are you persuading, informing, or building rapport? Once done, profile the audience, age, role, and expectations to shape vocabulary. Make sure to limit each message to 3 core points so every sentence supports 1 point. Then pick verbs that signal action and nouns that reduce ambiguity. Use short, concrete examples to test clarity. If a phrase needs explanation, simplify it. This first step gets you writing with intent and direction. Now refine tone and structure so your words land. You should match tone to the audience, formal for technical stakeholders, casual for peers, because tone affects trust. Once matched, convert passive constructions into active voice and keep passive under about 10% to improve clarity. Make sure each paragraph follows a simple sequence: hook, reason, and a call to action. Then vary sentence length, short commands for emphasis, longer explanatory sentences to show cause and effect. This improves readability and persuasion. Finish by polishing and verifying that each word earns its place. You should read the text aloud to catch rhythm problems and awkward phrasing, because spoken cadence reveals issues silent reading misses. Once done, replace vague words with concrete alternatives and trim adjectives that don't add meaning. If the message still confuses, test it on one representative person and revise based on their confusion points. Troubleshooting tip: if feedback conflicts, prioritize clarity over cleverness and simplify until.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.